Here with me is Anin Sevar, professor of engineering constructions. With his help, the students draw the beehive for our school project. Good day, Anin.
Okay, hello. I want to present you how the whole from idea to the end was actually ruled, and I will show you first our beehive plans which were made by students in the subject where we learn how to draw the plan for the house or something else, but to be understandable and to be professional. So here first we made a plan of this beehive, and we were limited with materials and with elements. We have in our workshops or these laboratories where we make this stuff, we have some wooden parts, and from this wooden construction we make the main frame and the main support element for the beehives. So these red squares are actually standard beehive elements which were exactly dimensions and are standard, and we make 4 of them, so we made the medium-sized beehive. Here is all exactly how all distance are exactly exposed, and on this side you see that the construction has to be supported by foundation or something else, and we also didn't complicate, and we make, for example, here is the front of this beehive, but I will show you here this is the wooden construction, and this wooden construction cannot lay on the ground because the wood is not is then damaged because of the humidity, and so we just do this element from the concrete, and we also it was the learning lesson for the bricklayers or some other students. They made this support, and then on this, when we put this beehive, this is the side section of this. So here is again this element, and all the sizes and all the dimensions are then very precisely managed here. So this is then the side section. We just close this with some decorative elements which represent our Šolski Center, school center from Kranj, which is actually consists 4 different schools and 1 for high school, or actually it's a center for the cooperation between the school and the professional sphere of other companies. So this is the first stage. So we do that in 1929, and this was the first phase. On this, base of these elevations and floor sections and other these plans, they built. These students build this beehive, and then we just study how to promote this phenomena of the bee. So we just explore how these fronts of the beehives are done. In our tradition in Slovenia, we say panska končnica. It's something what is very typical because in tradition they made a little humor or a little educational motives and it's very sympathetic to people. But on the new science then discovered that the bee eye is constructed so that they have much different orientation than, or different kind of perception, and this is the result was that they discovered these patterns are for the bee the most convenient, or the most they have the best orientation with these patterns, and we just choose these patterns to be our behave done on this base. We just prepare these elements, and all this decoration is done by vinyl cutter. So we prepare also on the natural measure. This is 1-to-1 measure, and we just do this by these squares or this pattern by vinyl cutter, and just apply it on these fronts. So at the end, we want to present or to promote this bee, and to be interesting, we made some propaganda, or some how to say, we make something what would attract people, and we do the some idea. It was held on 20th of May, and this is actually the World Day of Bees. This is the international date, and we made also this bees with vinyl cutter, and we just do it. Here is the result, how we just do that, prepare that for the vinyl cutter. And this was at the end very professional, so we put it in some also organizations, not only in schools but in other organizations, because we want to participate to this day, Bee Day. And that's actually in the short something what we done. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ani.
Bye.
Here with me is Frank Petric, a professor of constructions. He will talk about what he did with the students with our school Beehive project. Here we go.
Да представим себе najprej. Tako. Ok, moje ime je Petric Franc, kako vam je že povedal. To smo naredili z našimi dijaki, gradbene smeri, različnih letnikov. Najprej smo se lotili izkopa temeljev, pozidave in na to v delavnicah naredili še suhomontažni izdelek, oziroma vse, kar je od lesa, razen strehe, ki je narejena tukaj na licu mesta. Tukaj desno od nas vidimo pa poseben pan, ki se uporablja za vaganje. To pomeni tehtanje, koliko se medu nabira, in je skrbno pod računalniškim nadzorom, oziroma tehtnica, kjer se meri, koliko čebele pridelajo medu. Na kratko, vsako leto se to vzdržuje, se barva, ureja, seveda se drži primerna distanca od tega, kjer je tako.
Hvala. Thank you. Thank you, Frank, for your comments.